In this video, we will learn to use PyGitHub library to interact with GitHub. First, I'm going to install by using command python 3 -m pip install PyGitHub. Now we have successfully installed PyGitHub. I will write a simple Python script to print out the user's current repository. From GitHub, I will import GitHub and then create an object of GitHub and pass in our username. That will be your username and your password. And then we are going to loop through our repo name from user's account. We'll use for repo in our GitHub get underscore user, and from that we are going to get repos for the user, and we will loop through each repo and print out its name. That's it. You just need to replace the over here with your username, GitHub's username, and GitHub's password. You need, if you already have account, or you can just create a GitHub account and use that username and password here. And to run our script, I will type python 3 and the script name, and then just hit enter. And you can see it printed one of my repositories name demo. So this way you can access GitHub from Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.